Changing your username on Google Drive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google sign-in page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Info. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Personal Info tab located on the left sidebar. This section contains your account details. Step 4. Edit your name. Under the Profile section, you will see your current name. Click on it, and then select the pencil icon to edit. Enter your desired username and save the changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, ensure that your new username is displayed correctly. You may need to log out and log back in to see the updates reflected across Google Drive and other Google services. By following these steps, you can easily change your username on Google Drive. If you have any issues, consider checking Google's help resources for further assistance.